This surveillance system enables ornithologists to answer key questions related to nesting behavior, such as nest attentiveness and the impacts of predation. The main advantage of this technique is that it allows for intensive monitoring of colonies, while reducing disturbance levels that may otherwise have negatively impacted them.
To begin, label 4 solar panels C1, DVR1, DVR2, and DVR3. For panels C1 and DVR2, use winged wire connectors to attach one set of 4-foot positive and negative wires to the respective positive and negative ends of the panels. Then, cap the open ends of the wires with additional winged wire connectors. For panel DVR1, use winged wire connectors to attach 2 sets of 4-foot positive and negative wires to the respective positive and negative ends of the panel. Then, cap the open ends of the wires with additional winged wire connectors. Tape all of the loose wires to the backs of the panels for ease of transport. Next, attach a charge controller to 2 18-gallon plastic bins, as specified in the text protocol. Label one of the bins camera system and the other DVR system. Next, loosen the battery positive and battery negative screws on the charge controller in the camera system bin, and slide the soldered end of each wire into the left side of its corresponding slot. Tighten the screws and ensure that both wires are secure.